If your Bosch dishwasher has a blinking red light, do not assume immediately that the appliance has developed a serious fault. On many Bosch models, a red light is part of the normal operating system. However, a flashing light can also indicate that the door is not properly closed, the dishwasher cannot take in water, or an internal fault has been detected. The first step is to identify exactly which red light is blinking. If the light is projected onto the floor underneath the dishwasher door, it is probably the Bosch InfoLight. Bosch dishwashers can be extremely quiet, so the InfoLight lets you know that a program is running. A steady red light on the floor normally means the dishwasher is operating. When the program finishes, the light switches off. On many models, a flashing red InfoLight means the dishwasher door is not completely closed. The program may not start, or it may pause shortly after beginning. Open the door and check both racks. A plate, chopping board, pan handle, utensil, or cutlery item may be sticking out and preventing the door from closing fully. Push the upper and lower racks completely into the dishwasher. Check that the upper rack is level on both sides, especially if its height has recently been adjusted. Make sure the detergent dispenser is not blocked by a large plate or another item. Although this may not directly cause the red light to flash, incorrect loading can interfere with the door, spray arms, or detergent release. Now inspect the door gasket. Remove food residue and dirt with a soft, damp cloth. Check for a section of the seal that has folded inward or moved out of position. Look at the door latch and strike area. Remove any visible debris, but do not spray water or cleaning products directly into the latch mechanism. Close the door firmly until you feel or hear it latch. Do not slam it. If the red floor light stops flashing and becomes steady, the dishwasher has probably recognized that the door is closed, and the program should continue. If the door appears closed, but the info light continues flashing, the latch, door alignment, hinge, or door sensor may be defective. A door sensor problem can prevent operation even when the door looks normal from the outside. Some Bosch models have a red indicator in the door handle instead of a light projected onto the floor. The meaning is often similar. A steady light may indicate that a program is running, while a flashing light may mean the door is not fully closed. Check the manual for the exact model, because the indicator system varies. If the blinking red light is next to a water tap symbol, the dishwasher has detected a water supply problem. Begin by checking the water valve underneath the sink. Make sure it is fully open. Inspect the inlet hose behind the dishwasher and underneath the sink. It must not be bent, twisted, crushed, or trapped against the cabinet. If the appliance was recently moved or installed, confirm that the hose was connected correctly and that the household water supply is working normally. A blocked inlet filter can also restrict the water flow. Before checking it, switch the dishwasher off, disconnect the electrical supply, and close the water valve. Place a towel underneath the connection, remove the inlet hose from the tap, and inspect the small filter screen. Clean accessible debris with a soft brush under running water. Do not damage or permanently remove the screen. Reconnect the hose securely, open the valve slowly, and check carefully for leaks. Bosch commonly recommends checking that approximately 10 litres of water per minute can flow from the household tap. If the flow is weak, the plumbing or supply valve may require attention. The red light may also be accompanied by an error code. Read the display before switching the appliance off, because the code can identify the affected system. For example, E22 usually indicates a blocked dishwasher filter. E24 and E25 are associated with drainage problems, such as a blocked filter, drain hose, pump area, or incorrectly installed pump cover. If water remains inside the dishwasher, switch the appliance off and allow the water to cool. Remove the lower rack and clean the filter at the bottom of the tub. Check for food particles, labels, grease, pieces of glass, and other debris. Wear protective gloves because sharp objects may be hidden around the filter or pump area. Inspect the drain hose underneath the sink for kinks or blockages. If the dishwasher was recently connected to a garbage disposal, make sure the disposal's dishwasher inlet was opened correctly during installation. Do not reach into the drain pump or remove its cover unless the manual for your exact model explains the procedure. An E15 code is more serious. It means that the leak protection system has detected water in the base of the dishwasher. If E15 appears, turn off the household water supply and disconnect the dishwasher from electricity. Do not tilt the machine to make the code disappear. Tilting may temporarily move the water away from the safety float, but it does not repair the leak and can allow water to reach electrical components. A flashing clean light can also have a specific meaning on some Bosch models. Bosch identifies it as a possible door sensor circuit fault on certain machines. Other combinations involving the active, clean, or sanitized lights can indicate heater, relay, or electronic control faults. These patterns are model specific, so write down which lights are flashing and consult the manual using the full model number from the edge of the dishwasher door. You can try one controlled reset. On many Bosch dishwashers, press and hold the start button or the button marked reset for approximately 4 seconds. The dishwasher should cancel the program and pump out the remaining water. This can take about 1 minute. When draining has finished, switch the dishwasher off, wait briefly, and select a new program. If the control panel does not respond, switch off the dishwasher at its circuit breaker for approximately 30 seconds, then restore the power. Do this only once. Repeated resets will not repair a defective latch, pump, heater, sensor, or control board. Also check whether control lock has been activated. Depending on the model, a key or padlock symbol may appear on the display. Follow the instructions in the manual to deactivate it. If the dishwasher trips the circuit breaker, produces a burning smell, leaks water, or continues flashing after the external checks, stop using it. Do not remove the inner door panel or test live wiring unless you are qualified to repair appliances. The door contains main voltage wiring, electronic controls, sharp metal edges, and components that must remain protected from moisture. To summarize, first, determine where the red light is located. A steady red InfoLight on the floor usually means the dishwasher is running normally. A flashing InfoLight often means the door is not completely closed. Check the racks, dishes, gasket, latch, water supply, inlet hose, filter, and drain system. Read any error code before resetting the appliance. If the light continues blinking after the door is securely closed and one reset has been completed, the dishwasher may have a faulty door sensor, latch, water valve, pump, heater, leak protection system, or electronic control that requires professional diagnosis.
So, damit ist es repariert. Wir können es jetzt wieder dran. Die Uhrzeit wird wieder angezeigt.